Today, we are diving into why Google Ads mobile app is a game changer if you are a media buyer. So you are worry-free, lalo na pagka mahilig kang lumabas at mag-travel like us. By the way, ako nga pala si Carlos Ubaldo and I've been doing freelancing and digital marketing for the past 12 years. And I will show you in this video kung paano ko ginagamit yung Google Ads mobile app. Alright, so sa ating mobile, make sure to install Google Ads mobile app from Google Play Store or Apple. And then click natin yan. And off the bat, ito yung makikita natin kung saan we can filter out yung ating range ng date. Last 7 days, 14 days, kung ano yung available sa ating desktop version o browser version. Similar din yun dito. Makikita natin yung mga stats from here. Impressions, click-through rate, average CPC. Although I would say it's limited compared to the web version. Pero you can customize this as well. If you scroll to the rightmost part, you will see this 3-dot icon. Click nyo lang yan and then feel free to customize these according to your needs. For me, ang lagi ko pa rin nilalagay dyan is of course search impression share, clicks, impressions, CTR, average CPC, kung ilan yung mga conversions na nakukuha natin. Yung lagi kong monitor everyday basically. So if you wanna go ahead and copy that, bagalan ko yung pag-share ng screen ko. Ayan. Okay. So, ang next naman natin is you will get performance insights and recommendations kahit sa mobile app. If we scroll down below, makikita natin, andyan din yung recommendations. Kagaya nung makikita natin sa website o sa browser version. So, similar din yan. Pero, to be honest, I don't usually follow all the recommendations. At kung meron man akong susundan, hindi ko siya ginagawa sa mobile app. I usually just check the mobile app to see kung meron bang issue na dumating so that I can resolve it immediately. Meron ako nakitang issue, ang gagawin ko lang is I will either pause the campaign or edit yung budget. Basically, make minor changes dun sa campaign. Which brings us to the next benefit na meron dito sa mobile app na to. Yun is pwede nating i-modify. We can make changes to the campaigns, budgets, and keywords. So to do that, ganito lang yung ginagawa ko. Punta ako dun sa campaign. Ayan. So let's say itong lead performance max. Yan ang gusto kong i-edit. So you can just tap that. And then, ayan, makikita mo rin yung stats dyan sa loob. And then you can also tap this gear icon right here. Ayan, so you can make changes from here. So, halimbawa, you want to change the daily budget. So, ayan, you can do so here. And then just tap apply. From here also, you can create and edit ads. So, to do that, punta ka again sa home. Just tap it here. And then, of course, make sure na piliin mo yung tamang account. So, from here, all you have to do is tap this plus button. And then, meron kang options dyan. Ano bang gusto mong gawin? Create a new campaign, add group, add, okay, asset group, keyword, and etc. To be honest, hindi ko din to ginagamit. Pero, if ever na kailangan, in case na, let's say, out of the country ako or out of the town ako, tapos may biglang gustong iparush client at di ko dala yung laptop ko, then of course, pwede ko rin gamitin yung feature na to. So that's another great thing about this app. Within this mobile app, makikita mo rin yung mga optimization score mo, lalo na yung palagi ko rin tinuturo doon sa keyword level. So to do that, let's just tap this icon sa lower middle. And then, piliin mo yung campaign na gusto mong tignan, yung optimization. And then, let's click again itong icon na to sa lower middle and mapupunta ka sa ad group level and then punta tayo sa search keywords. I-tap natin yan at From here, makikita mo lahat din ng stats ng mga keywords mo and including yung quality score natin na very, very important. So as you can see, puro 8 ako, meron akong 10, may isang 7, may isang 3, pero bagong dagdag ko lang na keyword yan. So I'm still working on it para tumaas siya. So anyways, pag hindi mo nakikita yan, you can still modify yung columns mo by clicking this 3-dot icon. Tapos, tap natin si Modify Columns and ayan, you can customize your columns to your liking.
Are you ready to take your business or media buying career to the next level? If yes, then you need to learn how to unlock the power of Google Ads. Hi, I'm Carlos Obado, and for over a decade, I've been helping businesses grow exponentially using the power of Google Ads. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to our comprehensive Google Ads course. In this course, you'll learn how to create effective Google Ads, target the right audience and keywords, build highly converting landing pages, optimize campaigns, and much more. If you're ready, just click the link in the description below to enroll.
And lastly, siyempre importante rin na meron tayong notifications, meron tayong alert in case na merong problema yung ating campaign para na-address natin kagad dyan. Halimbawa, nagkaroon tayo ng disapprovals. Okay, so makikita natin yung notifications dito sa mobile app. Saan lalabas yan? Sa ating phone lalabas yan. So again, balik tayo sa main homepage. Scroll tayo sa pinaka-bottom, or rather, click natin ulit itong 3-dot menu. And then, let's go to the settings. And then, nakikita nyo to, turn on notifications, allow notifications. Nasa ganon, magkakaroon tayo ng notification within our notification center. But of course, nakaka-receive din tayo ng email notifications pag may problema yung ating campaign. Pero it helps, syempre, na meron ka ng instant notification din, native dun sa iyong mobile. Well, to each his own naman. Kung mas gusto mo na sa email lang, pwedeng hindi mo na siya i-turn on. Ako, to be honest, sa email lang sapat na sa. Pero para lang alam mo na merong kasamang feature na ganyan sa Google mobile app.
With all these features, the Google Ads mobile app is your perfect partner for a stress-free vacation while still staying connected with your advertising needs. By the way, kung nakatulong sa'yo ang video na to, sigurado ko sa'yo na malaki rin ang may tutulong sa'yo ng video na to to help you grow sa iyong freelancing career.